my name is Kiran Shelke and I am associate with the Cosmos Group since 2017 as a manager quality control and quality assurance. Our final goal is our right product at right time. Cosmos culture is very dynamic and the growth oriented culture. Here everyone is giving the opportunity to perform. You have a platform where you can play your role, you can establish the system smooth and the final mantra is smile on everybody's face. Always give the happiness. When we come into the organization, we felt it is a really workable environment. My journey starting with the Cosmos Group 2017 as an quality assistant manager for the individual component inspection to the machine inspection. During my teenager, they gave me a lot of things to do. Like that, I have involved with the 5 years continual improvement project as an Kaizen and total productivity management. We have able to consistency growth with deliverance of the proper machining component, proper machine at the moment. We have involved a lot of technology driven by the Cosmos. We are right now able to produce our machine with the consistency quality at the right time. The environment of Cosmos promotes team building and stand as your partner in progress. Leadership provide me to the self-improvement during my teenager. We have a provision of Kaizen and the systematic approach where you can share your idea and it's come into the shape. Every single person can share their ideas and which turn into the shape by the leadership. Here you have a platform to perform, to organize and to build your inner and outer ability. Cosmos is a growth-oriented company which gives an opportunity to learn advanced technology to us as well as upcomers, which is very most important to provide a platform with the advanced technology of the machine tool building.